The opposition PNP is blasting the government for removing critical NHT benefits for some categories of persons. Opposition leader Mark Golding raised the issue at a conference in northwest Manchester Saturday night. NHT announced on Thursday that income will fully determine interest rate subsidies as other factors are being eliminated. Opposition leader Mark Golding has spotted a challenge, saying categories of persons will lose critical benefits.
Benefits that the public sector workers have enjoyed, persons with disabilities have enjoyed, persons of 55 years and over, they too are going to be losing benefits that were available to them before through the National Housing Trust. Each of those categories were entitled to borrow money from the NHT at a discounted rate of interest up until this week, I think Thursday, when the Andrew Holness-led government took away those benefits from them.
Mr. Golding said the interest rate regime for the NHT has not changed, but the three categories of people usually get additional discounts.
Persons with disabilities would get a 2% discount. So if they were earning over 30,000, less than 42,000, instead of paying 2%, they'd pay 0. And if they were earning over 42,000, instead of paying 4%, they'd pay 2%. And the public sector workers, they got a 1% deduction. So instead of, if they were in that category of 30 to 42,000 a week earning, instead of borrowing at 2%, they would borrow 1%. And if they're earning over 42,000, instead of 4%, they'd borrow 3%. This has been taken away as of Thursday from all of those categories, comrades. And I must tell you, it really burned me.
NHT has also indicated that it has doubled its special grant for persons with disabilities to $300,000, but they must be registered with the Jamaica Council of Persons with Disabilities. Still, Mr. Golding says the disabled needs more protection as they have to grapple with additional expenses such as traveling.
Persons of 55 and over, because they're of their age, when they borrow from the NHT, the term of their loan is shorter, so the monthly payments tend to be higher. And this is why the discount and interest rate was so valuable to them, and the government has taken it away from them. I'm calling on the Prime Minister to wheel and come again and reverse this change to the benefits that were given to the persons with disabilities, public sector workers, and persons of 55 and over.